friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Lynxley from Zootopia 2, and don't forget to pause the video to follow along at your own pace. So first let's get started right in the top here, and we'll start with framing in the head. So we're just going to curve this around and down on the right. We'll tuck this out on the left, curving this over and back in. We'll round this down again, curving this down, tucking that back up. And then again, curving this down and back in. Before we focus on the rest, we're going to come in on the center. So we're going to sort of come in towards the middle here, drawing in a sideways oval for that nose. Now for the nostrils, we're just going to draw in two small arch lines on the corner. Let's continue the rest of the mouth here, drawing a straight line in the middle. We're going to curve this line out, tucking that around and in on the left. And then we'll do the exact same thing over on the right. Now let's come in and we're going to draw in two small diagonal lines coming out. Let's draw in an arch line underneath for the mouth. And then stepping out again, let's replicate that. For the teeth, from the side here, just drawing in a small triangle, doing the exact same thing on the right. And then for the tongue, tucking that in behind, just curving this all the way over and down. Now, from the center, we're going to curve this out, tucking that back up. Let's come underneath, replicating that again, curving that out and back in. Let's move out. We're going to curve this over, tucking that back through. Again, one more time, arching that out, and we're going to curve this in, up, and through towards the top. So we're going to curve that out, and then we'll curve this up, in, and back through. Now let's point this down, curving that through. Again, arching this over, tucking that back up. And then we'll curve this out, arching that all the way around and in towards the mouth. And then on the side from that point, curving that over and in. Now let's come in towards the middle, just drawing in a slight curved line. Let's come up for the eyes now. So we're going to we'll start on the inside here. And we're going to curve this line down, up, and over. We'll replicate that on the right. Now on the inside, just curving this up to the top. Now from here, we're going to round this out on the top, curving this out and back down. Stepping over on the inside now, let's draw in a circle from the corner. So we're going to curve this around and tucking that in. We'll do the exact same thing on the right. Moving in towards the middle now, let's draw in a circle for that pupil. Let's add in a highlight. So on the inside edge, drawing in another circle. And then we'll come down on a diagonal, replicating that, making the second one smaller. And then now from here, let's just color in those eyes black. Now let's come down from this line here. We're going to connect that. So we're going to curve this out, making sure that touches. And then we're going to pull this back in, curving that through. And then from that point again, just rounding that out, curving that in, connecting that together. Let's close off the eyebrow on the top, just curving that out, thickening that up. Let's draw in the ears here. So on the top, we're going to curve this line out. Now coming up, we're going to curve this line in. And then again, one last time, stepping even further behind, curving this around and down. Let's add in the little tuft of hair underneath. So we're just going to curve this line out and down. Moving in again, curving this out and through. So on the left-hand side, coming underneath, we're going to round this out, curving this down. We're going to close this off on the bottom with a curved line. And then we'll just step up, replicating that. From the middle, stepping out, we're going to draw in 2 straight lines. We'll replicate that again, coming across. Continuing this as we move all the way out, just leaving an even amount of space. Now let's move out for the arms. We're going to curve this line in. And then we're going to curve this in on the side. Moving up again, drawing in another curved line. And then we're going to draw in 2 straight lines as we come across. Let's draw the pattern up above here. So stepping down, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming in on both sides. And then we're going to bring that up in the center, joining that in the middle. Let's move up again, replicating that pattern as we come all the way around our bottom line. Let's move up, finishing that off. And then again, let's draw another diagonal line coming in towards the middle. Let's move up, pulling this down and in, and then finishing that off. Now let's come across. We're going to bring this line up and over. And then again, replicating that, moving up. Now let's come down for the pants. We're just going to curve that over in the center. From the middle now, leaving a small gap, we're just going to curve this down on either side, ending that at the same height. For the pant leg, curving that across. From that edge, let's tuck that in towards the sweater. For the foot, we're going to round that out, curving that over and in. Stepping across in towards the center, replicating that. And now one last time, arching this out, tucking this down and back in. Let's draw on the hands here. So we're just going to round this out, curving this up. Moving in towards the center, replicating that. And then again, one last time, rounding that out, pulling that into the top. And that is it. That's how you draw Lynxley from Zootopia 2. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.